In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify payments using a simple method that will get you up and running quickly. Whether you're just starting out or have been managing a store for a while, having a seamless payment setup is crucial for your online business. So let's dive right into it. To begin, navigate to the Shopify website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the My Store dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all aspects of your Shopify store. From here, we'll be heading over to the store settings where you'll configure your payment options. At the bottom left corner of your dashboard, you'll find a Settings option. Click on that and then look for the Payments section. This is where we'll manage any and all payment-related settings for your store. Now, click on the Payments tab. This will take you to a page that displays the different payment providers you can enable for your Shopify store. Shopify Payments is, of course, highly recommended due to its seamless integration with your store and competitive processing rates. Plus, it gives your customers a straightforward and trustworthy payment experience. But before setting it up, we want to highlight that you can configure other payment gateways if you prefer. However, for simplicity and other benefits, including reduced transaction fees, we're choosing Shopify Payments. Next, you'll want to click on Activate Shopify Payments. This will kick off the setup process. If you want to add additional payment methods beyond Shopify Payments, look for the option called Alternative Payment Methods. Clicking on this will allow you to offer your customers different ways to pay, such as PayPal or Amazon Pay, which can be advantageous if you are targeting a more global audience or want to cater to diverse customer preferences. After selecting all necessary options, you'll need to fill out some essential information about your business. Be prepared to provide your business type, personal details, and banking information, as this will ensure you can receive payouts directly to your bank account. Take your time when inputting this information and double-check for accuracy because any discrepancies can delay your setup or payments processing. Once everything is filled out accurately, save your settings and then complete any verification steps if prompted. At this point, your Shopify payments should be fully set up and ready to start processing orders. This method not only streamlines your store's back-end operations, but also enhances the checkout experience for your customers. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward approach to setting up Shopify payments. This foundational step in your e-commerce journey ensures that payment processing is efficient and reliable, leaving you more time to focus on growth and customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy selling with Shopify!